Talofa lava, warm Pacific greetings. This is the day that the Lord has made, and we rejoice and be glad in it. I'm in beautiful Samoa. I'm standing in the Tānoa Tusitala Hotel in Apia, and I'm just very honored and just very humbled to be back home. Nothing beats home, as they say, and just to see the culture, to see the beautiful landscapes and my beautiful people, eat the beautiful food again, it's just really great to be home. I've come here because I'm not representing New Zealand this time. I'm not representing 54 countries of the Commonwealth. I have the opportunity now to represent my people of Samoa, the pearl of the Pacific, the heart of Polynesia. And so yesterday I met with the Prime Minister, the head of the executive branch of government, Mr. Tuila Epa Sailele Maliele Ngaoi, and we discussed issues and topics that I need to bring up and advocate and lobby for on behalf of the people of the 10 islands of Samoa. Climate change is an issue that's going to threaten our existence and the future of our people. Sustainable development is a mechanism or is an avenue in order to sustain and maintain our resources for the benefit of future generations. Acting today, saving tomorrow. We need to make sure that these developed nations who have contributed to the emissions that we are now seeing the ramifications of, made accountable. They need to be made accountable. And so I wish to be a voice in Pittsburgh in October. 100 leaders, world leaders from all developing nations are coming together, converging to create one massive cacophony of noise and sound, of power, of influence, to make sure that these world leaders listen to the future or the tomorrow of this world or international community. I thank you all for your support. I also invite you to provide your insight and feedback. Matafai@gmail.com. If there are issues that you wish or feel that I need to raise, contemplate, research, please do share, because I do represent you. And so let's create this dialogue so that we can create an avenue for us to contribute to our future. Let's own our future. In closing, I just want to say that Gandhi said that you should be the change you wish to see. Don't wait around for change, because if it's not you, then who? If it's not now, then when? Simon Matafai, here in Apia, Samoa. Thank you very much. To God be all the glory.